I have a question for you. Do you like coffee? Are you a coffee lover? Do you like to go to a fancy restaurant or cafe and have that brewed coffee with that heart-shaped art or something? Do you like that? If you like this video is for you. I'm a coffee lover. I'm Sudip Karki from Nepal. I'm 22 years old, a bachelor student studying business and also doing a part-time job as a marketing and advertising head. I work to have coffee. I don't think there is any false statement in this. I work, I earn to have coffee. I live to have coffee. I enjoy this life because I have coffee. So how I started having coffee is long back ago. I think 3 or 4 years ago or 5. So I started having coffee during lockdown. Before that, I was not introduced as a person who loves coffee. I used to love tea because being in Nepal, if you don't love tea, then chia biscuit is the best, right? So today I'm talking about a college student who loves coffee but doesn't like to spend a lot of money because coffee is expensive, especially in Nepal. Coffee is so expensive. If you're having like a normal cafe latte, 180 220. If you're having americano, 180 170. If you're having lungo or double espresso, not espresso, it's like 120 130. It's huge money for a college grad, right? So I have made this video to tell you how to make a coffee in your own home or at your own home. I used to go to cafe a lot more times, like twice, thrice a week, every single morning, to have that peaceful environment and everything. But now I try to make coffee at my home, and that is the best. First, I tried pouring water into the coffee and making a black coffee like a normal coffee. That didn't work for me. Then I started making some filter paper coffee. I bought matcha pustre coffee from Pokhara. It is a Nepali based some anaerobic coffee, and I tried that and I was not satisfied because the filter paper used to be expensive more than a coffee. Oh my god, that was so embarrassing for me. Like, I bought filter paper, I bought coffee, but like filter paper was more expensive than coffee, and I didn't have coffee machine, I didn't have the dripper. So I started having thoughts of, shall I continue with Nescafe or shall I stop having coffee? And I bought a foam machine. I started using a foam machine. So it has 2 battery pack. You put your coffee, you use it, you stir it, and foam is generated. You can have water, you can have milk, anything you like in your coffee as per your desire. And then I knew the foam is the ultimate reason of which I like coffee in a milk coffee or in a cappuccino. So black coffee is black coffee, that is normal, alright. But if I'm having cappuccino or something, I love the foam, how it is created, right? But I can't make it at home. So I learned to make the foam in my home, and it's so simple. NRS, like Nepali rupees, you don't even need 200, like 160, 150, even 100 rupees, your coffee is ready. So let's make our coffee at our home. So all you need to make this is coffee, of course, a glass of water, a cup, and this machine. First, I'm adding unmeasured spoon of coffee, a little bit of sugar for the taste, and a little bit of water. They can be warm or just for extra flavor and extra smell, I sprinkle a little bit of coffee powder, and I'm also adding chocolate syrup for sweetness. And this is a delicious cup of coffee ready for you.